Hi everyone, welcome to Munchkin Explorer. Let me start our video with Lord Ganesha Puja. Today I had little time to experiment this recipe that I am so excited to share with you all. So please keep watching till the end. मेरे बच्चे स्कूल गए हैं and I have some visitors coming home. So this video is going to be so interesting. चलिए देखते हैं डेक की व्यू लेते हैं। चलिए आपको भी ले चलती हूँ। ये रहा हमारा डेक। आज हमारे यहाँ पे 3-4 दिन के लिए रेन स्टॉर्म है, सम ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म, तो कंटिन्यूस बारिश हो रहा है। आई होप टेम्परेचर डिप ना हो जाए सो दैट आई कैन कीप माई वेजीज स्टिल अलाइव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग। सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स। Now let's check at my front door how the view looks like. ये रहा मेरा beautiful सा garden. Opening my door to these beautiful flowers every day. These orange color flowers are so much perfect for the season. Next month it's Halloween and यहाँ पे लोग Halloween में orange color flowers and pumpkin से घर सजाते हैं। चलिए guys, let's go inside and quickly start today's recipe. It's the dates crepe recipe, and please go and check my short video too. So we'll make the filling first. We need to boil some dates and we need to grind it into a smooth paste with some cardamom, and then into a pan heat up some ghee, and into the ghee we'll add in the grinded mixture with some coconut. Stir it for some time and it's ready. Now let's make the batter. So hot water, some ghee, milk, salt and rice flour. Mix it, and then we need to add 2-3 spoons of semolina, suji, rava, whatever you call it. Keep it aside for 5 minutes so that the mixture, everything gets combined very well. Now into a pan, let's make the mini dosas or like pancakes. Chote chote banao, that would be good. And then we'll place our the mixture, the filling that we made, the dates mixture, center पे आराम से लगाइए, and then we'll add in some dried nuts, chopped dried nuts, and then we will fold it from both the sides. Do try this at home, guys. You can make this filling in advance, and then the day when you want to prepare, you can always take out the filling, make the batter takes only 5 minutes, and do try this. It's going to be a super hit. It was a super hit in my home. Everyone simply loved it. I wish I could show you my kids' review on this recipe. My phone was dead and it had no charge, so I couldn't record. Also, one more thing to note is that if you can make these pancakes as thin as possible, that would be more tastier. And also about the filling, you can make this filling and store it in the refrigerator for a week. It will be good and fresh. Our dates crepe is ready. Okay, so now let's do the plating. Let's garnish it with some dried nuts, some rose petals, and I had some saffron water. So I'm going to just soak these in saffron water and keep it for puja. So when you finish the puja, the saffron water will be infused or will be fully soaked into your sweet, and it tastes divine. This is the next day, guys. Starting our morning with some chai. I couldn't record a lot as my friends had visited for the first time at my home. तो एक्साइटमेंट इतना ज़्यादा था कि मैं रिकॉर्ड करना भूल ही गई। तो आज का प्लान ये है कि खाना खाने के बाद वी वुड बी हेडिंग टू न्यू जर्सी, इवन दो इट इज़ स्टॉर्म अलर्ट, बट ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट नहीं लग रहा है, तो सोच रहे कि थोड़ा बहुत घूम लिया जाए। देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट इज़ नॉट इन योर हैंड। अब मेरे फ्रेंड्स का न्यूयॉर्क ट्रिप प्लान तो बहुत पहले हुआ था, बट ये अनफॉर्चुनेट रेन स्टॉर्म ने पूरा प्लान फ्लॉप कर दिया। कोई नहीं, we will try to cover as much as we can. We will also take you guys along with us. After lunch, kids wanted some snack, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ चलो तो ये पॉपकॉर्न बना देते हैं and then we'll hit the road. Just see the excitement. Before starting the trip, they wanted to sing a song together. और हम चले हैं रोड ड्राइव पे. हम न्यू जर्सी घुमा रहे हैं हमारे फ्रेंड्स को. ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म नहीं था तो वी प्लान लेट्स गो एंड हिट द रोड. देखते हैं इफ़ वी कैन कवर समथिंग. तो प्लान था अक्षरधाम जाने का. सैटरडे था. And we thought like, even though due to the storm warning everything must be closed, but let's try Akshardham, it would be open. But as we reached there, we happened to know that they have some scheduled programs which need to have some bookings. You need to book your tickets to enter, which we didn't know, so we had to come back. तो न्यू जर्सी घुमाते घुमाते हम चले रेस्टोरेंट. भूख लगी थी तो हम सोचे चलो अब कुछ खा लिया जाए. तो ये देखिए थोड़ा बहुत घुमाने के बाद वी केम टू नागपुरी सावजी. ये नया खुला है एंड वी जस्ट हैपन टू नो फ्रॉम वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स. सो वी थॉट लेट्स टेक आवर फ्रेंड्स देयर. तो चलिए अंदर की तरफ चलते हैं. इट्स अ गुड रेस्टोरेंट. खाना भी ठीक ठाक है. So the kids ordered the regular butter paneer and veg biryani, and for us we ordered mutton roast, misal pav and masala papad. Here it is. As we are in Maharashtrian restaurant, why not try their authentic dish, right? Misal pav was yum. The mutton roast was little spicy. Having said that, if you enjoy Maharashtrian food, then you must visit once to this place. ऐसे ही गाते गुनगुनाते full on मस्ती. We have reached the Lincoln Tunnel. As we speak, we are going to cross the Lincoln Tunnel. Now this Lincoln Tunnel is approximately 1.5 miles long under the Hudson River, which is connecting New Jersey to Manhattan, New York. As you can see, it's raining very heavily. So now we are driving towards the Bull of the Wall Street, or Bowling Green Bull, that stands on Broadway just north of Bowling Green. Now here we are, as you can see. Here is the famous bull of the Wall Street. चलिए अभी गाड़ी पार्क करके लाइन में खड़े हो जाते हैं. Even in the rains, people are standing to take a pic. But as compared to the normal days, this line was not so long. Now we are heading towards the World Trade Center. It is walkable distance from the Bull of Wall Street. Did you notice the top of the building? You really can't see. It is so foggy and it is raining like crazy. And as the kids were singing, it's raining tacos.
Come walk, walk, walk.
I don't know how we. Hold my hand.
As it was getting darker, it was so windy and cold that it was getting difficult to walk on the street. You can look at a guy who is walking with his umbrella all broken. That's how much windy it was. And if there is wind, you should know how cold it would be. It was freezing cold. So as we were walking on the street, we thought of getting into a gift shop where we can spend little time shopping and looking around. If you feel this video has been helpful and you're enjoying my video, then please support my channel by subscribing, give me a like, and do share with your friends and family. After doing little shopping at the gift shop, we are heading towards the Westfield shopping mall. We can give some refreshments, some food, and the kids can use the restroom. What a relief, you guys. Oh my god, इतना ठंडा लग रहा था. Oh man, it was so difficult. अब देखिए, खाने के बाद we found a way from the mall. हमने वो पहले रियलाइज़ नहीं किया, फिर बाद में रियलाइज़ किया कि हम मॉल के अंदर से ही चल के जा सकते हैं. तो we took that path. There is directions mentioned all over inside the mall. तो आप अंदर से ही चल के आ जाओ. And there is an exit point जहाँ पे आप उतरोगे. तो here you see the famous World Trade Center. Going through these names, you really feel so sad. It must be so hard for the victims' family. Now there is a memorial 9/11 and Zero Ground Level Museum which you must visit. You can check on their website and book it for yourself. The 9/11 Memorial and the museum are open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and there is also free cancellation up to 24 hours in advance. We couldn't visit these places as we passed the 5:30 timing. Okay guys, we'll continue the rest of our journey in the next video. Until then, bye.